Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can keep your own custom status on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord, click on any server, and you can see your profile over here. Once you click it, you cannot see the custom status. You can also only see the playing a game, your username, and your note if you have left one. Now I'm going to teach you how you can keep a custom status. First of all, go to Edge or Chrome and you should install Premid extension from the browser. Just go ahead and click on this extension, click on Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge and then search for Premid. Then click on this over here and click Add to Extension and this will be added. Now what you need to do is click on it and enable Discord option over here. Once you enable Discord, then you can see that Discord will access Premid and it will inform that what things you are playing or what are you playing and what you are listening to on your Edge or your Discord. So what you want to do next is click on Premid or search for Premid on your browser. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and then click on Downloads. So there will be some ads, you should go ahead and skip it. Click on Downloads once again, wait for a while because this will take some time, and click on this Windows icon over here, and once you click it, download option will be there and it will be downloaded. So once the application is downloaded, you must go ahead and install it and then Premid will be installed. So go ahead and click on skip, download it, click on open file, install the Premid launcher, and then you can see that Premid will access your Discord. So it will tell you if you want to authorize the Discord, you can go ahead and click on yes, and then you can easily access Premid and you can authorize it to Discord. Now what you need to do is go to the present store. So what you need to do is search for Premid present store. So you can go to this as well. So after you open it, you should go to the present store. Click on Premid and click on present store, which is over here. Once you click it and once you have connected it to your Discord account, you can see this type of interface over here. Now what you need to do is go to the search bar and search for custom. So after you search for custom, you can see the custom status over here. You should click on add presence and click on it. After click on it, you should click on this page over here. Now what you need to do is you can see you need to install the custom status presence from the Premid store to be able to use this pin. So you must download it. Go ahead and click here and download it. You can see that it has been added at presence. Now you must add something, so you can write something like playing life is a game or something like this. You can see the image over here. You can add your own image over here as well. So you can see some of the images being shown over here. You can just click on it and you can see the following images as well. So you can see a lot of images over here. So there are a lot of things you can check on it. And you can see another image as well. So you can see another empty image. So you can see there are a lot of things you can keep here which will make it look attractive. So you can see the custom status being built and the small image text is also over here. You can just go ahead and add something, and there are also some buttons over here. If you want to keep the website as your button, you can see this is the text over here and you can give in your own touch. This is your text which you want to apply. You can write down your stickers as well. You can mention your stickers and you can see the widget Premid as well. If you want to give the Premid link, you can do that as well. And you can see the time elapsed and everything. So you can see time elapsed over here and you can see the time too as well. Go ahead and click on enter, go to Discord. Wait for a while and Discord will open up. So you can see this will be over here and this will be applied, and then you can easily apply your custom status over here. So guys, this is how you can access the custom status and keep it using Premid on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.